All right, let's cut the bullshit. You clicked on this video because you want to make fuck you money. Money that lets you walk away from anything that doesn't serve you. No boss, no 9 to 5, no begging for a raise, real financial freedom. And guess what? The fastest way to get there in 2025 is through a personal brand. Leverage your face, your voice, your expertise to print money online. Now, I know you're probably thinking, who is this guy? And, who's this guy talking to me about personal branding? Well, if you don't know who I am, my name is Ozzy Koi. I have over 8 million followers across all my socials. I do pranks, skits, challenges with my Arab dad. We're very well known in the Middle East. This is my TikTok. Right there, 7.6 million followers, and my Instagram, just for some social proof, because you might not believe me, right here, 352,000 followers. So I think I know what I'm talking about, and that's why you should listen to me. Here's the big problem, okay? Why most people never make it. 99% of people get stuck because they either overthink everything, try to be perfect all the time, and waste months planning instead of posting. Just post. You know that feeling that you have, that thought in your head that's always there? That's a sign from God trying to tell you to do it. You know what I'm talking about, that certain task that must be done. That gut feeling, that thought that just doesn't leave your head, something that you've always wanted to do, but you're just afraid of doing it because you're afraid of judgment. That's a sign from God that you need to do it. You just do it. Don't think. Act. Action. Raw action, believe it or not, solves 99% of all your problems. Trust me, I know from experience. I've been in that state before, where I've always just been, thinking and not doing. And I've always been in this state of analysis paralysis and just circle jerking and mental masturbating and just looking at so much YouTube videos and watching all this content and of something that I actually want to learn, and I don't actually do it. I talk to my friends and my family about doing something, but I never do it. Why? And that's the problem. You never get anywhere by doing that. The only way to get to where you want to be is actually doing it. And I know that's pretty simple, but most people just don't understand. So, 99% of people get stuck because they either overthink, try to be perfect, or waste months planning instead of posting. Meanwhile, some random dude, which probably you haven't even heard of before, with a webcam, is out here making $100,000 plus a month talking about stuff they're just passionate about. Why is that? The difference? They executed, they stayed in front of people, and you just thought about doing the task and you never actually got around to do it. Why? Why waste your life thinking about something you've always wanted to do but never actually took the step forward, took the initiative to actually make that dream a reality, make that thought come into fruition? It doesn't make sense. So, a personal brand isn't about being the best in the world at something. It's about being known for something. When people know your name, they like, know, and trust you. And when they trust you, they buy from you. That's the game, okay? So, if you need help with building a personal brand, by the way, or if you need help with scaling your content or anything along that nature, I have a link down below in the description where you can apply to work with me, and I will see if I can help you. And if you're a good fit for the program, I will literally call you up, and it'll actually be me calling you up, and I will see if I can help you. Okay, I'll get you into the program, and we'll scale your personal brand and make a fuck ton of money with it. Okay, so I'm gonna give you a 3-step formula right now that you could do to turn your personal brand into a money printing machine. Step number 1: own a micro niche personal brand. Okay. What that is let's say instead of being another content creator, you need to own a lane. Now, what do I mean by that, own a lane? So let's say for fitness, go ultra specific with your content. Like maybe muscle growth for skinny guys, or for business, maybe it's like personal branding for introverts, okay? The tighter the niche is, the faster you stand out. Now, if you see me looking over here to the sides, because I have notes that I really need to get through to you guys, and I don't want to miss anything. So just to clarify, if I look over here, it's because I have notes. Step number 2, post relentlessly, okay? Don't wait to be ready. No one's ever ready. They just took action, okay? Momentum, that's what you need. Momentum, speed, take action, do it, just do it. As I said before, just do it, okay? Take action, you'll build the momentum, and things will just get easier down the line. I promise. I promise. If you're just thinking you're not doing anything, you're never going to get anywhere, okay? Don't overanalyze everything. Just do it, okay? You become ready by posting, learning, and adapting. So, short form content is literally the cheat code to gaining an audience fast. Literally. I mean, I showed you proof. 7.6 million followers on TikTok, 300,000 on Instagram. Built it all through short form content. Funny videos like pranks, skits, and challenges with my dad became very well known in the Middle East from that. I'm Lebanese, by the way, if you don't already know. If you're watching this from Lebanon, I love y'all boys, man. Girls, I have a girlfriend, I'm sorry, I can't be. Anyways, short form content is the cheat code, okay? Reels, TikToks, YouTube Shorts, focus on short form content at first, okay? Now, the reason why I say that is because it's much easier, much easier to gain an audience in that through short form content than through long form. And here's why. With short form content, it's just a short video. You could post short form content wherever you go, wherever you are, and it'll be really easy for you. Meanwhile, with long form, you might have to set up a camera, script out your video, and, you know, I'll make a separate video on why these things are different from each other if you do want to see that. But yeah, short form content, you just need 3 seconds to hook someone in. All it is. A hook is the first 3 seconds of your video with short form. With long form, it's the first 30 seconds. But anyways, let's just focus on short form for now. Your first 3 seconds of your video is the most important of your video. You have to be able, because think about it, when someone's scrolling through TikTok, YouTube Shorts, or Reels, right? They only stay on the video that actually catches their attention. Because people's attention spans are that of a fish. They can't focus on something for more than 3 seconds without actually scrolling, right? So if you can master and refine the hook of your video, which is the first 3 seconds, the start of your video, the first 3 seconds, then you will get views, I promise. And you just retain them throughout the video. And of course, I'll teach you how to do that. Apply down below. If you're a good fit for the program, I really would want to help you out with that. Anyways, step number 3, sell your knowledge, okay? Your audience isn't just watching for fun. They have problems. Your job, sell them the solution. And I don't understand why people get so much hate for selling information. There's nothing wrong with selling information. I mean, think about it. You go to university, right? Maybe people go to university. Universities aren't really shunned that much as like people selling courses. And I never understood the negative connotation of like course selling. Now I get it. If you did get scammed or something along that nature, then I get it. You know, you could have that opinion. But if someone knows more than me, has more knowledge on a certain subject that I want to learn about, why not pay them to teach you? I don't get it. If someone knows more than me and I want to learn from them, I'll gladly give them my money so they can give me their knowledge so I can actually apply it. Why wouldn't you? I mean, if you go to university, you pay the university and you take a course. Okay, so what's wrong with paying someone to teach you something that you want to learn about? What's wrong with that? So anyways, back to this. You know, sell them the solution. Whether that's digital products, coaching, courses, this is where the big money is, okay? Now, listen, if you're serious about turning your personal brand into a money-making machine, a real income stream, I want to be able to help you. So you've got 2 choices. Option 1, keep trying to figure everything out alone, just like I did. Waste months, maybe years, making all the same mistakes as I did. Or option 2, skip the guesswork, and follow a proven roadmap. I will be providing you with a proven roadmap, the same roadmap that I took to scale my personal brand, monetize my content, gain a large following, and people that love me for me and my dad. Content is king. Sorry, cash is king. Content is second to king. Inside the program, I break down how to create viral short-form content that actually converts, how to build trust so people actually buy from you instead of just watching for free, and how to package your knowledge into an offer that sells on autopilot. You want to be able to make money while you sleep. That's how you make a fuck ton of money, okay? So if you're tired of guessing and you're ready to make fuck you money, click the link down below. I'll see if you're, apply. I'll see if you're a good fit for the program, okay? So look, every single person you look up to online started with 0 followers. That's just a fact. That's just a fact, okay? The difference, they committed, they showed up, they put themselves out there and built something people couldn't ignore. And you could be next, you could be that person. All these rich online millionaires and people that have large followings and people that respect them and look up to them and trust them and love their videos, they all started out with zero followers. You could be next if you just commit and you take action and stop fucking thinking and actually doing. You don't gain anything by just thinking about doing it. You actually gain something by doing it, okay? The world is dominated by personal brands, believe it or not. The sooner you start, the sooner you win. So, what's stopping you?